Pain. We all experience it. Heartbreak, failure, loss, disappointment, it's a part of life. But what if I told you that pain isn't your enemy? What if pain is actually your greatest opportunity? Welcome to this video, where we'll explore how to turn pain into power. If you're struggling right now, if you feel lost or broken, stay with me, because this might be exactly what you need to hear. Pain is a teacher. It forces us to stop, to reflect, and to change. But most people do one of two things. They either run from pain, trying to escape it, or they let it define them, trapping themselves in suffering. But here's the truth. Pain can either break you or build you, and the choice is yours. Every successful person has faced pain, but they didn't let it destroy them. Instead, they asked, "What is this trying to teach me?" Thomas Edison failed over 1,000 times before inventing the light bulb. Oprah Winfrey was fired from her first TV job before becoming one of the most influential women in the world. J.K. Rowling was rejected 12 times before publishing Harry Potter. What if your pain is just preparing you for something bigger? So, how do you turn pain into power? Here are 4 steps. 1. Accept it. Stop resisting pain. Feel it. Acknowledge it. This is the first step to healing. 2. Learn from it. Every painful experience has a lesson. Ask yourself, what can I take from this? 3. Take action. Use your pain as fuel. Work on yourself. Build something. Turn your energy into progress. And 4. Help others. The best way to heal is to help. When you share your story or lift others up, your pain transforms into purpose. I know pain. And I know this. Pain doesn't have to be the end of your story. It can be the beginning of something great. So ask yourself, will you let this pain define you? Or will you use it to become stronger, wiser, and unstoppable? If this message spoke to you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share your story below. How have you turned pain into power? Remember, pain is temporary, but the strength you build from it, that lasts forever.